What a day. Carlito's banging them. Hammer's pulling around. Look at this. This is one bitchin' pad right here. I tell you, this stuff bears my name. It's gonna be right. There ain't no seconds about it. Busting these piles up like they busted up the mob. You got your friends, your family, and your health. You can have all the equipment, the money in the world. You ain't got shit. Till the next one, family. Check this crap out. I tell you, these chickens, they want to work. They want to earn their keep. Can't go with me today, sorry. Just rolled up on this one. And Kenny's already letting one of the contractors have it. Man, what a difference this one looks like. If you guys go back in the videos, this was the unknown road where I cut it through. There was a bunch of junk, and I guess I had somebody else come in here and clear that. But we're here today to get this yard looking like something. Kenny's got his dump truck, and we're gonna move some dirt with the new Holland. So yeah, it should be probably a 2-day job. Let's get unloaded and we'll get rocking. Well, we kind of got a game plan, but like every game plan, they always change. So be ready. I just messaged Holston. First load's getting there. I said drop 2 loads and then you start grading. And man, all that worked me up. I'm gonna have to get me a drink of water here. Just kidding. No water here. What's up, Jimmy? I knew him from the shop. Everybody came in the shop was in the trades. Let's get right with it. I already had a ghost. I'm ghosted. Now I'm gonna be bloomed. Just how I remember them. If you guys are in the fields, you gotta be getting right with that, man. It's just part of it. Dude, we gotta talk here a little bit later. If you ain't thought of that, that makes a damn nice little cooler for your smaller energy drinks. The daughter was all about Yetis and Stanleys and all that crap for a while. Now she's not into this, and she's into Nitos and Squishies. It's always something they can make money off of. Why can't I be smart enough to think about that? Maybe one day. I am. Dirt hammers. Keep banging them. OrschellX.com. Go be bitching. Official's a slave driver. I was talking to Jimmy for a couple minutes, and he's yelling at me. I guess he thinks he's getting charged by the hour. I guess I can do that to him. Tracking into battle here. Here's our first cut here. Just kind of get everything roughed in, man. There's plenty of topsoil. Get it roughed in, and we're going to start topsoiling all this. I'm gonna have to find my way up there. What I like to do is cut that, push it down in this path, because if not, if you just keep cutting this, it falls all on your cab. I've had it come up against a door before. Here we go. Just like that. And just like that. K-Dog rolls his dozer. Not today. What's up? Nothing. Just dozing. What you doing? Just dozing. See, back in the day, back in 1997, when I was pushing off, always doing this, I was building ramps, and look at that peak. That's all I thought about was dozing and building jumps. Every time I was on a dozer 10 hours a day. Every time they had me doing whatever, I was shaping. Just daydreaming. Good thing with doing this too, you're turning everything over. It's not wet. Some of it is, but it's busting all that sod up. So you can work it a little bit better. Here's the new marginal. Everything's kind of laid out back there. He's going to take the old New Holland, the Van Halen, and lay some more dirt out. It's just too far of a push. I'm going to start breaking this up, pushing up so he can topsoil that. And it's a shitty part of the day. Drank all the juice. Now I have nothing to look forward to. Stuff on the bottom of the pile down there got really nasty. Come on, baby. Look at that stud, would ya? That's the Ric Flair of custom home building. Kenny Tischler. I don't know, fam. Things might be changing in my mind a little bit. I'm always like, oh man, I wish I could just get on the dozer and doze away, and I'm dozing away, and I'm just kind of bored. I'm like, I even thought to myself, man, I wish I could be doing a septic right now. I guess I like more getting out and doing stuff. I don't know. Or maybe, I don't know. Maybe this is just boring dozing. I don't know. Or maybe I'm just never happy. I mean, that could be it too. They got some sort of 1,000-gallon water tank up here. Kenny said stay far away from that. Rajo, we'll do it. Bam! Public service announcement. ShopOrschellX.com. There's a new dirt hammers design on there. It's the Screaming Eagle. Designed and printed in the USA. Van Halen. Things I do for my family members, trying to get the shots. More than once have I hurt myself. Phil and his free cheese conies. I was just sitting here thinking, man, I could do a podcast and bring all the people on that I talk about, and we could tell stories, and you guys could really see these characters I'm talking about, man. They're all unique in their own different way. I should say special. You got the Bastard, Big Night Mike, JK, I mean J-Dub. I mean, we got all kinds. We can tell stories for days. You can put a face with the story. Little back dragging action. I hear you. I see you. I feel you. Full summit. I tell you, when you got somebody who knows what they're doing on the track loader, it really makes things a lot quicker. You can just get along and throw it out for you. I tell you, I've been contemplating real hard of hiring somebody that's capable of running equipment good, man. If I had somebody like Kenny or anybody that could get on a piece of equipment and jam, man, I could put them on different job sites, and I got so much work, it helped me knock it out a lot quicker. One guy trying to, you know, knock it out is you almost need to conquer and divide, I guess. So I got Colton on that job. He's spreading gravel today, just turned him loose, let him go. Only way he's gonna learn. We gotta go help a brother out. Kenny's not a chain banger. He's gonna be a chain banger. Hauling dirt in that, and he left his chain set. Guess he was tailgating. He said he never ever sets his chains. Them balls and chains that get you, I tell you. We'll bang any type of chain, rusted, new, old. You only had one side set? We've been there, done that before. And just like that, 3 easy payments, 1995. We got Kenny back on his way. He's banging dirt and smiling. I just texted him. Let's FaceTime him. Oh, he might have FaceTimed me. Let's FaceTime and see what it's looking like.
Hello?
Well, let's see it.
Well, Grant's tailgated it, so that made it a hell of a lot easier.
Did he do it pretty good, or?
Yeah.
Let's see it. What's it look like? Oh yeah, how many loads is that?
2.
Damn, that went a pretty good way, didn't it?
Yeah.
He's not back with the other one yet?
I say he'll be back within the next 10-15 minutes.
Alright, well show me it again. They want to see.
Hey, did you doing Camel lights today or Camel non-filters?
None of them.
None of them, yeah, I bet.
Did it reach all the way out to the
You sound stoned.
original gravel? He may be able to do it. There may be hope for this guy. There may be hope. There's your machine, Cole.
What, the new Holland?
Yeah, the new Halen. It's not a Van Halen, it's new Halen. Or inhaling. Take a look at that, fam. He's getting it. How's Hammer today? Is he in a good mood?
Yeah, he's in a real good mood.
Oh, that's good. What the hell's leaking out there? Well, that's cool.
Yeah.
Did
Because his foot's better.
you tell him we got 8 loads to haul tomorrow?
I said 7. I thought it was 7.
I think it's 8 actually, but that's that pit run. That's close, so.
Yeah, that'd only take 20-30 minutes to load.
Yeah. And then Friday we're gonna go to Crusoe's. We're just putting fires out all over.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna use my single axle bunch for, is a yard or off-road truck. thing sounds like a damn steam engine, like a hit and miss. It's all roughed in. We got Kenny a swale here. I'm just here for the rough end, heavy lifting. He can clean all this up with his hydro bucket. It's Cole Morris special. There it is. Like always, man, it's just always a dang good day when I got all the people that just mean the most to me. So keep doing what y'all do. Stay tuned. Let's see how this thing whips into shape tomorrow. Oh God, here he comes. Let's get off of here before we get to watch him. He ain't even talking to nobody. How's it been going?
Pretty good.
Yeah. Long trips.
Yeah.
Waiting for him to get back. Yeah, it ain't too bad. Got some piles. It's pretty good. We'll make it look better though.
Yeah.
As seen on TV. I tell you what, he's got it pretty good. It ain't bad. You can tell what he feels comfortable with is the rake, because as soon as I got here, he jumped on the truck and grabbed. He's rolling in heavy. Might as well bang a load of gravel here at the end. How's that smells? Burning brakes. Bang them chains. Let her rip. That's the good stuff there. That is the good stuff. Aha! You're letting them down, Hammer. It's a long day. Give him some slack. We need to grease that bed, Cole.
Yeah.
What a day. Carlito's banging them. Hammer's pulling around. Look at this. This is one bitchin' pad right here. I tell you, this stuff bears my name. It's gonna be right. There ain't no seconds about it. It was only supposed to be 5 loads of fill. I hit him up, said we're gonna need more, so we went 5 more. It's right though. You ain't got your name, you ain't got shit. You ain't got your friends, your family, and your health. You can have all the equipment, the money in the world. You ain't got shit. Till the next one, family. Go ahead and head over to orschell.com, get you some keep banging them, some dirt hammers. This is for us, by us. Keep doing what you do. Bangers for life.